Sky 5 flying over the Napier and Sudekum homes in Nashville tonight, the site of a new plan to transform this public housing development. Over time, the homes will be replaced with a mixed-use, mixed-income community featuring more than 2,000 apartments, some new amenities as well, including a park.
The announcement comes after the agency's Board of Commissioners approved a master development agreement just last week. Our Aaron Cantrell shows us how this plan will roll out.
These are the kinds of building styles included in the plan. These aren't necessarily the designs, but it kind of gives you an idea of the massing and the types of buildings that it included.
Plans to redevelop MDHA's Napier Place and Sudekum apartments are officially moving forward. The transformation plan would replace the current homes with a mixed-use, mixed-income community with more than 2,000 apartments in all, including a one-for-one replacement of all 821 subsidized units. MDHA's Director of Planning and Development, Curtis Thomas, says neighbors of all ages helped shape this vision over the years.
Why was it important to make sure these kids were featured in this plan, but also that they were a part of how it was developed?
Really, it's the future of their community, and we wanted their voice to be heard, and not just adults, but the kids engaged throughout the process.
They are finally looking at our current state. We needed them to look at us.
Curtis Hobart, who's lived in Napier for 5 years, says he's hopeful.
I believe it'll be a good thing. They've been over here for a long time.
But others we spoke to off camera worry the redevelopment could push them out. Thomas says MDHA's goal is to invest in both the property and the people who live there, pointing to the places like the Voice Center, which neighbors asked for and is already up and running.
One of the things that came out of the people plan component was a need and a desire to bring services into the community for education, for youth, health, wellness, economic opportunity.
He says MDHA will keep bringing people into the process at every step.
We want to make sure that these communities are a place where our families can thrive and succeed.
Aaron Cantrell, News Channel 5.
Thomas says the redevelopment will also bring essential services like improved food access and commercial options. The first phase centers on design work. The entire project expected to take roughly 15 years to complete.